www.healthcmi.com. Acupuncture Continuing Education Online today. Acupuncture provides tinnitus attenuation. This article was published October 16, 2019. Let's take a look. Lodong City Hospital of Traditional Chinese Medicine researchers determined that acupuncture combined with the herbal formula Lu Wei Diwan Wang relieves symptoms and improves quality of life for tinnitus sufferers. They achieved approximately a 77.5% total effective rate, and if we break that down, 3 recovered, 10 had markedly effective result, 18 effective, and 9 ineffective. Now that was compared with the hyperbaric oxygen group, and they had 4 markedly effective, 16 effective, and 20 ineffective cases. So they only had a 50% total effective rate. Keep in mind the high ineffective rates for both groups indicate that acupuncturists should advise patients that results vary significantly. So we have to temper expectations here. Again, the acupuncture group, only 3 recovered. And while 10 had markedly effective, there were 18 in the bottom tier of effectiveness. In other words, some clinically significant results, with 9 totally ineffective. So again, this is a more intractable disorder even within Chinese medicine. And this was limited to only patients with tinnitus and the TCM diagnosis of liver and kidney yin deficiency. So it was of specific long-term deficiency style tinnitus that was tested. Patients also needed to give informed consent, communicate clearly, and did not have severe cardiac, cerebral, or renal diseases for admission to the study. The hearing loss and tinnitus also did not have obvious pathological changes to the tympanic membrane or external auditory canal. So again, it was a straight tinnitus, also liver and kidney yin deficiency, and they were able to get some results. The local points were used to get that job done, but again, they gave 10 treatments in a row with a short break, 10 again, short break, 10 again. So within just over a month period, they had 30 acupuncture treatments to get this result. So that's where you see this nice result. The difficulty is in a lot of areas it would be difficult for people to afford or have access to an acupuncturist on a routine basis in that short period of time to get these results. That said, acupuncture can get the job done in some cases. Let's take a look at the points used. Tingong, small intestine 19, Tinghui, GB2, Ermen, triple burner 21. So these are, again, mostly local points. Wangu, small intestine 4, gallbladder 20, Feng Chi, at the suboccipital space. Liver 3, a distal point, Taichung, also with large intestine 4, Hegu, stomach 36, Jusanli, and bladder 23, Shenshu. So some distal point and general constitutional points. So patients will feel better, but another caveat is keep in mind that this is not a comfortable treatment for the local points. So while a lot of acupuncture is very comfortable, let's say a migraine treatment, an insomnia treatment, something to relieve musculoskeletal pain, this treatment, the local points at the ear can burn a little bit or be uncomfortable. So patient compliance is important, and some results can be achieved in some cases. If you want to see more about this article, please visit healthcmi.com, click on news, and look for the article entitled Acupuncture Provides Tinnitus Attenuation. Thank you for listening. www.healthcmi.com.